Hello YouTube, I apologize for the resolution of this image, but if you have this warning message, your startup disk is almost full and it's really easy to free up more space. I'll show you how to do that right now to get rid of this message, get your computer cleaned out a bit, and have it running a lot faster and nicer in the immediate future. So let's get right down to it. Open up a new Finder window from your desktop by going to the top left, clicking File, and then New Finder Window. The easier way to do that is hold down the Command key and press the N key. N is in Nancy. This opens up your Finder window. From here, go to your gear icon and show search criteria. You can then go, you can close one of them if you have three open. And I'm going to go kind is movie, and that's going to have some movies showing. And now I want to have this Mac. It's going to show all of the movies. And then I'm going to add another bit of criteria to get the largest movies, just to see what the big culprits are here for causing this space issue. So kind is other. I'm going to just type in the word size and see if I can find file size. So let's add that to the menu. Say OK. And then file size is greater than, let's just do 20 megabytes. Okay, so now we've got a number of files here. I don't know why it's not doing kind of movie anymore. Oh, sorry. We have any of the following is true. Let's do all of the following is true. So that's going to make sure it's a movie and it's greater than 20 megs. Now you've got this enormous amount of video, this big folder of videos here, and that's going to show you the big movies that are over 20 megs. Let's just check one gig maybe, see if it's going to give me gigabyte. So I've got some movies that are over a gig here, and if I erase, for example, all of these GoPro movies, so let's delete those by holding down Command Delete. That'll move all of those to the trash. You can do that with all of these movies that you don't need, or you put them on a hard drive and then delete them. Make sure to empty the trash after. That will free up an enormous amount of space on your hard drive, because the movies are going to take up a lot more space than music and pictures. So get rid of the movies first, and that'll get you get that message gone. If this helped, please hit the like button and leave comments if you need some help, and subscribe if you really liked it. Thank you so much.